yeah, a 3-second, and then you just kind of just do what you want to do on your desktop or whatever. So they don't see you. So your kids don't see you, so I don't know.
But if you wanted to show an example, how would you do it?
Right.
Yeah.
So so that's the other thing is I have this thing. And so, and Julie, like she bought the math department before we split. She bought all of us this, and so this is kind of the thing that I used to write with. And also, Julie's nice enough because I also use, it's called Smart Notebook, and that's where I have all my lessons on, and you can write with that. So the license expired on that, but Julie said that and so I had to like fight tooth and nail with the IT department, because I was like, you guys had this license, they're like, we're not gonna buy it because you're the only one that uses it. I'm like, but Julie was like, I'll buy it, so she's gonna buy it. So if you guys want to use it, I can give you a tutorial on that too. But I know the high school, they have something else. They have a different program where they have these, the high school teachers, they have these too. And I can't remember what it's called. It's like a Mimeo Studio or something like that.
Well, that's what I was wanting to do, is show them how to do things on an actual piece of
So that is something that we can get on your computer too.
How does that hook up? Is it like a cord?
Yeah, it's a USB thing. Oh, I have it on my personal computer because we're still trying to
so it's like a wireless thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. So yeah, it's just right in here.
What is that called?
This is called a Mimeo pad.
A Mimeo?
Mm-hmm.
I've never remember all this.
Yeah, Mimeo pad. Yeah, and like I said, if your department wants to buy it, Julie, she'll get some. So, or she has anyways. And I know the high school, you can say, well, high school teachers, they have them, because I know the high school math department, they have them too.
What was the other thing you said you lost?
Smart Notebook.
Smart Notebook.
Yep, and I was talking with Larry today, and he's still working on it, so I feel like if enough of us want it,
Does it go with like smart boards?
yeah, it does, yeah. But I don't think we have any, I don't know if there's any in the district, like the portable ones, I don't know. But, so once you're done with your video,